Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're putting two high-flying contenders to the test, the LMRC-12 drone, or as I like to call it, the LM-12 feet, and the CHUBORY Super Enduring Brushless Motor Drone, or simply the CHUBORY SE. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the price. The LM-12 comes in at a wallet-friendly $79. Meanwhile, the CHUBORY SE is a bit more bougie at $149. So if you're on a budget, the LM-12 might be your new best friend. But hey, sometimes you gotta splurge a little, right? Now onto the cameras. The LM-12 sports a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle. It's like the selfie stick of drones. You can capture some pretty sweet aerial shots with this baby. But wait, the CHUBORY SE says, "Hold my propeller," because it comes with a 2K HD camera and a 130 degrees wide-angle lens. That's like comparing your old flip phone camera to the latest iPhone. Sorry, LM-12, but CHUBORY SE is taking this round. Flight time is where things get really interesting. The LM-12 gives you a modest 26 minutes with its two modular batteries. Not bad for a quick spin around the park. But the CHUBORY SE? It's packing 3 upgraded batteries that offer up to 84 minutes of flight time. That's almost as long as watching Titanic without the Leonardo DiCaprio heartbreak. CHUBORY SE, you're clearly in it for the long haul. Alright, let's talk user experience. The LM-12 is designed to be as simple as pie, with features like headless mode, one-key start landing, and hand gesture photos video. It's like the drone equivalent of training wheels, perfect for newbies and kids. On the other hand, the CHUBORY SE is basically the Swiss Army knife of drones. It's got optical flow positioning, follow me, 3D flips, and even gesture selfie. It's like trying to compare a tricycle to a Tesla. CHUBORY SE, you win this round too. Next up, build and durability. The LM-12 is compact and wind-resistant with its brushless motor. Great for those breezy days when you just have to fly. But the CHUBORY SE? It's got enduring alloy brushless motors and upgraded composite material. Translation: this thing is built like a tank. It could probably survive a zombie apocalypse. CHUBORY SE, you're killing it! Special features time. LM-12 has some neat tricks, like drawing a path in the app for the drone to follow. It's like having your own little flying butler. But CHUBORY SE? Let's just say it's the overachiever here, with its compact, foldable design and a portable carrying case. Plus, it doesn't even require registration because it weighs less than 249 grams. That's like having a golden ticket to drone heaven. When it comes to user reviews, the LMRC-12 drone has received praise for its ease of use, good video quality for the price, and being a great value for beginners and kids. However, there have been some concerns about the build quality and difficulties with the app. On the other hand, the CHUBORY Super Enduring Brushless Motor Drone is lauded for its camera quality, stability, and ease of operation. Some users did report issues with the drone flying off or not hovering properly, but overall it's seen as a reliable and high-quality drone. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, user-friendly drone for some quick aerial fun, the LM-12 is a solid choice. But if you want to go all out and take your drone game to the next level, the CHUBORY SE is the clear winner. It's the Ferrari of drones, minus the outrageous price tag. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest comparisons. Drop a comment below and let us know which drone you'd pick. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.